السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Here we welcome in lesson number 3 to all students. As we did the Arabic alphabets began in first two lessons. Now we're gonna third lesson to the joint letters. The joint letters, as I said before in the last classes, that when we make word, so we try to join the alphabets. So in this lesson, we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. And also here we will try to learn the different shapes of single letters. It's like here we can see that lam alif is actually lam plus alif. And we'll also learn the different shapes of the particular letters. For example, here lam alif in different shapes, almost 4 shapes here in this page. So we're gonna learn the joining letters, also the different shapes of particular letters. Here we will start from the first letter, that the first one is alif, as we read before. Alif looks like a straight line. So the next one is lam alif. Lam alif. So lam and alif. First to be read lam is like maybe a straight line with a curve in the last. But here when we join with the next letter, we try to write lam like this. Maybe only we join the first shape and then try to cut it from the last. So this one is lam alif. Alif, lam alif. Alif, then lam alif. And the next one is same lam alif. So it means that this is the second shape of lam alif. First one is this lam alif, and this one is lam alif. Lam alif. And the next one is ba alif. Ba alif. It's like here ba, maybe complete shape of ba here, and then alif in the last straight line. So ba alif. Ba alif. Then the next one is lam alif. This is the third shape of lam alif, with the difference of the two cross lines. In the first, maybe two straight lines, and in this one is two cross lines. It's like maybe from upside it's look like a cross lines. So this one is lam alif. Let's repeat the first line. Alif, lam alif, lam alif, then ba alif, ba alif, then lam alif, lam alif. Okay, and the next one is lam and then lam alif. Lam we read before. It's a previous shape exactly. And this one is the next shape of lam alif. Lam alif. And this one is lam ha. Here is something new for you, is like the first part of these two letters is the up one is lam, because when we join lam with the letters which has the separate shapes, like from the down is like jim, ha, and etc. So then we will write lam like this. So this one is lam ha. Lam ha. This one is lam alif, and this one is lam ha, lam ha. And the one more thing is important to understand, that when a letter like this with maybe two letters like this or three letters, we will start to write, we will start to recite and start to pronounce the letters from upside. So we will pronounce first lam and then ha, not ha lam, because some students, when they don't know about that, they try to read from the left side. It's like they say that the ha is the first one, but not. We will start from upside, lam ha. And the next one, exactly like a up one, so lam alif, lam ha, lam ha, lam alif, lam alif. And then the next one, here we're gonna do the 3 letters in one box. Before this, we did first separate letters, then 2 letters. Now we are gonna do the 3 letters. So this one almost contains 3 letters. The first one is ba, and then the next one is lam, is like a little shape of lam. We can see here, while joining in the joining shape, lam looks like this. Ba, lam, ba. So 3 letters. Ba, lam, ba. Ba, lam, ba. And the next one is, the next line, this one is kaf. This is the new shape of kaf. As we read in the separate letters in the alphabets, we read this shape of kaf because this shape usually used in the detached form, and this one while joining with the next letters. So this one is kaf, 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 kaf. And the next one is kaf, ba. We can see here this shape in the joining in the joining letters, it looks like this. Kaf, ba, kaf, ba. And the next one, and also in the joining shape, the second one, the first one with this shape, and the second one with this shape. So kaf, ba, same. Both are same. Kaf, ba, and then kaf, ba. Kaf, ba, kaf, ba. And the next one is kaf, alif. Kaf, alif is like kaf and then alif. Kaf, alif. In the next one, kaf, alif. So kaf in 2 different shapes here while joining. This one is kaf, alif, and this one also kaf, alif. In the next, also here 3 letters again. First one is ba, and then the purple one is kaf, and then ta. Ba, kaf, ta. Ba, kaf, ta. And then the next one with the 2 dots are ta, then kaf, then sa. Ta, kaf, sa. Ta, kaf, sa. And the next, very easy, there's the in the detached form, the separate shapes. Ba, ta, sa. Noon, ya. Ba, ta, sa, noon, ya. And then the next one is in the joining shapes, as we did before. In the separate shapes, detached form, ba. So here, ba in the joining shape. Ba, alif, ba, alif, then noon, alif. This one is noon. Sometimes maybe students can be confused in zal because sometimes zal looks like this, but zal always will be in the detached form, not in the start in the joining shape. So this one is noon, alif, noon, alif. Ba, alif, and then noon, alif, noon, alif. And then the next one is ta, alif, ta, alif. Then 2 dots down, ya, alif, ya, alif. Then the next one is sa, alif, sa, alif. And then ba, sin, ba, sin. Then ya, sin, ya, sin. As I said before, this in the joining shapes, we will try to differentiate according to the dots. So 1 dot down, the shape we read before, that's called ba. So this one is ba and the sin in the black. So ba, sin, then ya, sin. 2 dots down, ya. Ya, Seen. Then the next one is Noon, Seen, Noon, Seen. Then two dots up. It's called Ta. So Ta, Seen, Ta, Seen. Then Sa, Seen, Sa, Seen. Then Sa, Jim. As I said before, that when we pronounce two letters, maybe up and down, so we will try to start from the up side. So the up one is Sa and this one is Jim. Sa, Jim. And this one is with the two dots up, Ta, Ha. Ta, Ha. Let's repeat the last line. Maybe this is a little bit new for the students. Maybe we can start with this letters Sin. So Ba, Sin, then Ya, Sin, then Noon, Sin, then Ta, Sin, then Sa, Sin, then Sa, Jim, Sa, Jim, and then Ta, Ha. Ta, Ha. Let's repeat one more time. The all letters, all joining letters. This one is Aleph, then Lam, Aleph, Lam, Aleph, then Lam, Aleph, Lam, Aleph, then Ba, Aleph, Ba, Aleph, then Lam, Aleph, Lam, Aleph, then Lam, 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 Aleph, Lam, Aleph, then Lam, Ha, Lam, Ha, then Lam, Aleph, Lam, Aleph, then Ba, Lam, Ba, Ba, Lam, Ba, then Kaf, Kaf, then Kaf, Kaf, then Kaf, Ba, Kaf, Ba, then again Kaf, Ba, Kaf, Ba, then Kaf, Alif, Kaf, Alif, then Kaf, Alif, Kaf, Alif, then Ba, Kaf, Ta, Ba, Kaf, Ta, then Ta, Kaf, Sa, Ta, Kaf, Sa, then Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Sa, Sa, Noon, Ya, Ba, Alif, Ba, Alif, then Noon, Alif, Noon, Alif, then Ta, Alif, Ta, Alif, then Ya, Alif, Ya, Alif, then Sa, Alif, Sa, Alif, then Ba, Sin, Ba, Sin, then Ya, Sin, Ya, Sin, then Noon, Sin, Noon, Sin, then Ta, Sin, Ta, Sin, then Sa, Sin, Sa, Sin, then Sa, Jim, Sa, Jim, then Ta, Ha, Ta, Ha.